Hello! Ayan. Thank you, Coach Jessie, and good morning po. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ayan, bago po ako mag-discuss sa ating special topic, magpapakilala po muna ako. Ah, Again, magandang umaga. Ako po si Christine Joy Quinto. Ginamit ko po ang Herbalife, ang ating healthy breakfast, yung ating aloe tea shake para sa weight loss, para sa aking weight loss journey. Ginamit ko din po siya as prenatal supplement and postnatal supplement. So, ang ilan sa mga pinaka-paborito ko pong Herbalife supplements ay ano po, vitamins and minerals, fiber and herb, Herbalife line, Extra Cal. So, ayan po. Bago ko po nakilala sa Herbalife, ako po ay isang beauty advisor. So, ako po ay very low energy before, sedentary ang lifestyle, and poor eating habits, laging fast food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, laging fast food. So dahil dito at bilang isang employee, hindi ko talaga nagustuhan yung nag-gain ako ng weight. At syempre, naging sakitin, humina po yung immune system ko, mabilis hingalin, and ayun po, salamat po sa Diyos at nakahanap po talaga ako ng solusyon sa Herbalife. So, dahil effective po talaga yung products natin, nagkaroon po ako ng new mindset about sa food and nutrition. Dahil din sa ating supportive community, naging maganda po yung pananaw ko po sa buhay. So, ayun po, mas confident po ako ngayon na dating mahiyain, grabe iba yung confident level ko na ngayon na dati hindi makapagsalita. So, ayun po, naging mas magaan po yung pakiramdam ko dahil nga po mas na-energize na, hindi na naging hingalin, at yung dating concern ko po sa balat, yun nga po, meron po akong skin asthma before na para siyang tagihawat na sobrang katipo sa mukha, na wala na po yun. So, makikita nyo naman po ngayon, at yun dyan sa picture ko na nag-clear na talaga yung skin. So, dahil with Herbalife po, napatunayan kong kaya palang ma-achieve ang weight loss goal dito sa Herbalife. Dito sa yung the natural way. So, ayan po, may supportive community na ayan po, pag ako po nasasandalan, ayun nga po, syempre, hindi naman po perfect ang mundo. So, kailangan, meron talagang time na tayo, nadadapa, sabi nga. So, ayan po, may paraan na po ako makatulong sa ibang tao. That's why I love Herbalife. Ayan. So, let's proceed po sa ating topic, which is ayan po, how to build a skincare routine for self-care and wellness. So, ayan po. Next po, sabi dito, taking care of your skin is not only a crucial aspect of maintaining your overall health. So, but it's also an essential element of self-care. So, yung consistent po natin na pag-skincare ay, ayan po, nakakatulong po ito para magkaroon po tayo ng healthy, glowing complexion and provide a sense of relaxation and rejuvenation at the end of a long day. So, however, maraming products ang available sa market. It can be challenging to know where to start or what will work best for your skin type. So, in this article po, mag-ano po tayo, we'll explore the benefits of developing skincare routine and provide some tips on how to get started. So kung ikaw po ay bago ka pa lang nagsisimulang mag-skincare, ayan po, mas maganda po na magbasa-basa po tayo para magkaroon po tayo ng konting kaalaman para po sa skincare routine that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. So, ayan po, what keep a self-care routine? So, sabi dito, ayan po, nakalagay dyan, natural stress of life affect more than your mental health. So, ayan. Ang ano po dyan, yung stress po, nagtitriggers din siya sa inflammation of the body, which slows down your digestive system. So, ayan po. Nakakaapekto din po siya, the bacteria in the gut, which can cause flares of skin conditions like acne, eczema, or ano po, psoriasis. So, ayan po. 'Di ba po sa panahon ngayon, ang daming makikita po natin may psoriasis, 'di ba? So, ayan po, matutulungan po natin sila. So, stress also dries the skin because of the rush or of adrenaline and cortisol. So, keeping a self-care routine can help manage and relieve your day-to-day stress levels. So, ayan po. Next po. So, ayan po. An easy skincare routine for women and men. So, ayan po. Feel good, look good, and the skin is the largest organ in our body, and it's important to keep it hydrated and well nourished po. So, having a consistent skincare routine will not only help your skin look great, but will also help you feel like you're taking care of yourself. So, next po. So, ayan po. Sabi dyan, wash your hands before you wash your face. Ayan po. So, bakit nga ba kailangan nating mag-ano po? It's important to wash our hands to prevent infections and illness. Ayan, sabi dyan, bacteria, viruses, and allergens can transfer from your fingertips to your skin. So, before you touch your face po, so, make sure po na kailangan wash muna tayo ng hands. Ayan. So, next. So, ayan po, don't wash your face with hot water. So, ayan po, masama po pala yon. So, ginagawa ko yan dati. Pero at least ngayon, mas iintindihan po natin na hot water can irritate po ng balat natin and take off the natural oils that are essential for it to remain healthy. So, ayan po, use lukewarm water to remove scrubs and cleansers. So, ayan. So, next. So, ayan po, use a cleanser designed for your skin type. So, ayan po, kailangan gumamit po tayo ng cleanser that appropriate for your skin type, can make a big difference in the way your skin feels and look. So, kayo naman po mismo, ma-observe nyo naman po kung anong klaseng skin meron po kayo. So, try to build a routine to cleanse your skin in the morning and night before going to bed. So, just like brushing your teeth. So, avoid harsh, ordinary soaps and can strip your skin of its natural oils. Instead, choose gently cleansers po. So, dermatologist tested and sulfate free. So, may nabasa ako dyan na, ayun po, lalo na yung mababangon na soap, yun, mas iwasan po natin yun sa muka. So, kung mas yung mga walang amoy, yun po, mas ganda po yun. So, next, hydrate your skin and use sunscreen daily. So, using daytime moisturizer with an already broad spectrum sunscreen in it is perfect for daily use po. So, not only will it hydrate your skin, but it also help to protect it from harsh UV light po. So, next po. So, ayan po, yung panglima po natin is exfoliate 2 to 3 times weekly. So, it's a vital scrub your face at 2 to 3 times a week para po makatulong to prevent blackheads and whiteheads from appearing. So, plus, ayan po, manual exfoliation can reveal healthier brighter looking skin in minutes. So, yun pala yun. Ayan. So, next po. So, sabi din dito, it even helps you maximize the benefits of your skincare products. So, by removing dead skin cells, you are removing removing a barrier that prevents your skincare products from penetrating and thus can make your skincare products work better. Yan po, kapag nag-exfoliate tayo 2 to 3 times weekly. So, next. So, ayan po. Drink enough water. So, when the skin is adequately hydrated, it looks smooth and radiant glow. So, ayan po, mag-set up po tayo ng water station at work or bring a large bottle of work for your desk so you'll remember to hydrate throughout the day. So, tayo po, tamad lang tayo uminom ng tubig pag wala tayong nakikita or hindi tayo aware na talagang very important ng water. So, ayan. Next. Use a clay mask to help draw out impurities. So, masking can a great ally in the battle against skin impurities and overproduction of oil. So, ayan, masama din po pala na na sobra tayong oily. So, para maiwasan po, gumamit po tayo ng clay mask. So, ayan po. So, next. So, it's not something you need to do every day, but once or twice a week or so can provide a wonderful benefits to your skin. So, ayan po. Next po. So, too complicated po. Here are 3 basic skincare tips. So, number 1 po, ayan po. A cleanser guard for your particular type of skin. So, a moisturizer with sunscreen or SPF na tinatawag natin to protect against harmful UV rays. So, a scrub to exfoliate your skin po. So, next. So, ayan po. Meron po tayong Herbalife Skin na ito po ay until supplies last na lang po. So, ayan po, suggestion ko po mag-order po kayo dahil napakaganda po ng mga yan. So, meron po tayong Soothing Aloe Cleanser. Ayan po, nakalagay dyan, removes excess oils, dirt, and makeup. Napakaganda po niyan. And meron din po tayong Instant Reveals Berry Scrub. Ayan po, nakakatulong naman po ito to softer, smoother, healthy-looking skin by removing dead skin cells. So, meron din tayong napakagandang energizing herbal toner. Ito po talaga napakaganda din ito. So, nakakatulong po siya to hydrate, gently condition, and soothe skin. So, meron din tayong line minimizing serum, clinically tested to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So, meron din tayong protected moisturizer, broad spectrum, yan po, SPF 30, minimal sunscreen. So, ito po ay tested to provide broad spectrum to protect UVA, UVB, protection SPF 30. So, next po. So, ayan, yung mga bagong natin, Herbal Aloe Body Care. Napakabango niya, napakaganda. And isa po sa mga favorite ko dyan, ayan po yung Soothing Aloe Gel. So, ginagamit ko po siya pagkatapos ko po maligo and before po ako matulog, ginagamit ko din po ang Soothing Aloe Gel for hydration din. And ginagamit ko din po yan bago po ako mag-makeup. So, yan po ang nagiging parang, yan po, ginagamit ko siya before mag-makeup. Mas maganda po yung lapat ng makeup. So, meron din nga po tayong hand and body wash and hand and body cream na napakabango po niyan. So, as your sponsor na lang po para yan po kung gusto niyo pong mag-avail yan. So, ayan po. Thank you very much sa inyo pong pakikinig and back to you, Coach Jessie.
Yes, thank you so much. So we may say